So we finally made it to my brother's house. We took a train ride over here. I feel exhausted. I touched up my makeup and my hair, and we're gonna go watch one of the Germany games. So we're waiting for our second train, and I've got my little Germany jersey on, and I feel like poo, but we're doing good, we're doing good. I'm not totally sure where we are. I think Stuttgart, but we got some cash and we are going to find a place to watch the game. I also don't know what game we are watching, but I'm following along for the ride. So we went to watch the soccer game at this it was this giant, almost like a rave, and there's like a giant screen in the center. We entered, and then I was like, okay, I'm leaving, and I literally turned the corner and exited. Because I don't like people touching me. I don't like huge crowds like that. My family really likes that stuff. It's not me. So we're gonna go walk around and shop and get something to eat or drink.
No, it was too much.
They're waving. So cute. This is sad. I don't know how to open this. Or are they just all? Oh, no. It was just that one, because this one twists, but nothing is happening. Oh. I originally wanted one of these, but I feel like I bought so much makeup last time. Oh. But I don't feel like I really need it right now. These ones are cool. I really wanted to see the color of this one though, and for some reason it won't open. I don't see any testers though, and I don't want to just put that on my skin. It's not oh, look how cute these are. These are so pretty. I'm tempted. god, this looks so good. Oh wait, we're going to see a castle right now. I'm ignoring my mom because she's trying to take pictures of me. I'm vlogging. So cute, oh my god. Look at this. So pretty. We're about to watch a bird show.
1,7 Kilo. Ein weiblicher Uhu kann bis zu 4,5 Eier. Die haben keine Nasenscheidenwand. Man kann durch die Nasenlöcher komplett durchgucken. Was bedeutet das?
Okay, so I have not had like water like basically all day, and it's like 4 now. And I got really sick during the bird show, so that was fun. But I'm almost done with this water bottle and I'm already feeling like way better. We just ate dinner here. It's so pretty. Look at these flowers. It stopped raining for now, so no umbrella as of yet. We started walking again. Hopefully find some cute stores, cute places to take photos.
Can't get my exposure right.
Got like a little jewelry store. This is so cute. I used to go to crystal shops all the time. Okay, we got a 4-piece. And oh, it's taped. Hold on. Let's see. I don't remember the names of what I got, but it's so cute. And then if I can open my chocolate. We got 4 here. And I'm gonna try just one right now. This is really good. I still don't know what like flavor that is. It tastes like kind of caramely though. This whole area is so pretty. We've got a Spider-Man chained up by the neck. Oh my goodness. All these steps. I'm so sorry. We were just told that the castle is up all these steps. My calves are dying from all the walking this whole trip. I am in pain. And everywhere I look, there's more steps, more stairs. Ian's taking videos of me. I know we're meeting up with my fam to go eat soon. Ian's taking some photos of some cool cars he's seen because they've got some different cars here that we don't have in the US. I don't remember any of the names, but. And then we've got to walk back down and meet for lunch. I'm so hungry right now. The chocolate was a good like tide over though. And we got some really cute pictures, so I'm really happy about that. And I love my outfit today. I've got my cute little Prada necklace. This was actually like a, I think it's like a refurbished necklace out of Prada pendant. And then off-brand shirt, Miu Miu sweater, and I've got like a Madewell skirt. But I'm really liking my outfit today. We're waiting for confirmation if we're at the right restaurant, but we're going to sit down to eat. This view is like gorgeous. There's little boats in there. This is beautiful. This looks so good.
Is that a baked potato with chips inside of it? Looks like it. What did you guys get? Oh, here it comes.
This is so good.
Oh, Linda. Wow.